Welcome back to the channel. So like many of you I'm sure, I always carry my mobile phone with me. In this modern age, it's something that we just can't live without really. But what happens when you forget to charge it? Or you're in a situation when you're out longer than you thought you would be and you need power? Well, Phoenix have got the answer for you. This week we're looking at this, the new Phoenix ECP. So the ECP is a new concept from Phoenix that merges a flashlight and a power bank together for consumer use. We've seen larger products such as the LR series that contain large batteries that can be used to charge something else via their USB outputs. Whilst it's a great feature for those products, these lights are mainly used for their impressive outputs. The ECP rebalances that by giving us a usable light, a power bank function, and quite a different light that we've seen from Phoenix. This octagonal light keeps a uniform profile all the way along the torch body, which is only interrupted by the button recess area and the double hole where you fit your lanyard. We also see this line around the neck of the light, where Phoenix have attached the battery portion to the lighting unit. These two have been bonded together, so you can't undo it and change the batteries. The octagonal shape gives you the benefit of no matter which way you place it, it won't roll away like other round torches. At the rear, we have this rubber cover, used to protect the charge ports from dust and dirt. Phoenix have taken the extra precaution to water seal the light from the battery ports, so water can't damage the internals. It makes this torch IP68 rated. I will say though, with no other way to charge this light, make sure you close the cover up so the ports don't get damaged. So under the cover we have three elements: the USB-A port, the USB-C port, and a 4-light charge indicator. The USB-C port can be used to both charge the light, but can also discharge, allowing you the flexibility to use USB-C to USB-C cables. We then have the USB-A port, which is used for discharge only. Both of these ports are reported to discharge at 18 watts, giving you a really fast charge. Then above that we have our forward stage battery indicator, which drops down in 25% steps. The battery inside the unit comes to 5000 mAh. In terms of phone charging, an iPhone 14 has a 3279 mAh capacity, and the 14 Plus a 4325 mAh capacity. For Samsung, their latest S22 Galaxy has a 3700 mAh battery, 22 Plus 4500 mAh, and then the S22 Ultra has 5000 mAh, which is essentially its entire unit. So even with the most powerful phones, you can ensure your phone will be fully charged. Just keep in mind how much you want to use the torch for lighting purposes and how much you want to use it for battery charging purposes. Just a note for iPhone users, fast charge won't work on iPhones, but will on Android. It's just Apple don't want us doing it. Sorry about that. Let's just seal that cover back up. Moving on to the head unit. The LED that's in the ECP is the luminous SST40, which is the same as in the E18R V2. Thanks to its bigger body and larger power source, the LED can be pushed further than the E18R V2's 1200 lumens to 1600 lumens. As a styling element, we have a chamfer to the octagonal points. For operation, we have this copper colour rectangular button. Hold down to operate and then tap to go through the light levels. These are Eco, 3 lumens, Low, 30 lumens, Medium, 150 lumens, High, 350 lumens, then Turbo, 1600 lumens. Eco will give you 504 hours of running and reach out to 10 meters. Low, 84 hours and 33 meters. Medium, 20 hours and 69 meters. High, 8 hours 30 and 105 meters. And Turbo, 2 hours 30 and 222 meters. This torch's light levels have been aimed for the closer in, lower light levels, as that's primarily what it's been used for. But that turbo is useful for punching out into a far distance. Just be aware of the thermal set down that comes with this. We also have a strobe mode, which can be accessed by holding down the button. If you do this from off, the light will turn on first and then strobe. It's not instant, so like a tactical torch. Now, again, as this torch is totally sealed and you can't remove the battery, the lockout function on this is going to be more than recommended. Whilst the button is recessed into the light, which will stop it being activated when it's flat down against something, it is still pretty exposed. This could lead it to be turned on during transit. The lockout mode on this is a double tap, which will make the light flash on the 3 lumen setting should it be pressed. To unlock, just double tap it again. Dimensions wise, for the ECP, we are looking at 138mm in length and a body diameter of 28mm. Weight wise, it is 170 grams. In the box, you get a USB-A to USB-C style cable, lanyard, and user manual and warranty card. Quick trip down to the warehouse to show you the light levels. Like I said, this light favours the lower levels as it's not really used to shine out for great distances or large areas. So that's a quick rundown of the ECP, the power bank light from Phoenix, available in black as well as this blue-grey colour. So what do you think about the ECP? Is this something you'll take on your next camping trip, or maybe have in your house for emergencies? Tell us what you think in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're not already, subscribe to the channel for more content. We'll catch you next time.